guys, this is why I've been MIA. I am moving my 2 rooms, switching them, and it's a lot of work. So let me turn you around to see what I'm talking about. So I had my DIY closet here. I'll show you the before. This is where I was recording. Those are going to go into my PAX IKEA thing. I hope I can get something that works in there because it's hard to twist in there and the shoes get stuck. I got that at Wayfair, by the way, but I'm going to show you there's a version of Temu. It's a little bit smaller, and I'm doing a switcheroo so I can have a bigger closet room. So got the vanity, makeup vanity out. Got the background here. These were left over from the theater room downstairs, which I have a video coming out. Got all this. And now starting to put some stuff in here. This is the time when you say, oh my God, what did I get myself into? Because you think it's not a big deal, but it's a big deal. One step at a time. I hope it all fits. Will it fit? Let's go take a look at this stuff. All that has to go in there. Oh my God, I don't know. 2 desks. All these cube. The double closet into a single closet. You can do it. Oh, yeah. This is when you say, what did I get myself into? Stay tuned. So guys, this is a camera, and to start recording, you just do this. And to stop recording, you do the stop sign with your hand, which is the high five. So it had stopped there. So now it's going to follow me. So I hope you can see me better here. So this is the signal to start, and the high five is to stop it. So it had stopped there. So it follows me. Okay, so this was my dressing room, as you can see over here. And it's like an 8x10. Oh, it stopped by mistake. So it's an 8x10. And this was a built-in that I made, like I DIY'd. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, like a 4 cube. These I got from Home Depot, and they're just the pegboards glued onto the sides, and then put some molding. Same thing on here. And then put in some slide belts on both sides. And then down below, I had pull out pants rack, and I'll show you a snippet with the clothes in. So this was left over from our theater room, and I got these from Costco. So I'm going to show you a video of us installing these as a backdrop for our theater room. And these are very nice and easy to install if you like the wood plank background. So there's that. And I got a shelf that's going up in here. So this is going to store a lot of my DIY stuff. And then behind you, you're on top. Let me take you here. So over here, I've got all the cubes with all my stuff in here, which I don't know if I got to put a label, but I pretty much know what's in them. So I've got all my cubes with all my stuff in them. So that's here. And this was I don't know what it was. My husband had it for some kind of stuff for his theater stuff downstairs, but I turned it upright, and I'm able to put all my wreath stuff from Dollar Tree and things like that. You know, never know where you can put all this stuff. This was great for all of that. The Dollar Tree racks and things like that. The hoops. So this worked out good for that. That's going in the other room, and I'm putting some other shelf that is glass in here to store all my glass stuff that I buy from Dollar Tree, because I have it in the next room on trolleys and things, and it doesn't work because whenever you need something, they're all falling on top of each other. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing with that. So this is the progress of my new craft room. We switched the rooms. Still a little bit of mess, just tidying up the last bit. I'll give you a full view later. Step into the other room. We're now going to build the cabinet. It's a dupe. This is where I've been, guys. This is the last bit that I have to clear up here for my new closet. I got a bit left to do here, but I'm almost finished. Oh, I'm exhausted. So IKEA all along here, IKEA packs. This is going in there. Hopefully it fits, if I measured it correctly. My vanity's there. I'm gonna show you what's gonna go there. Island in here. But let's put everything together and then I'll show you.